Hi there. So what's your name?
Philip.
And how did you hear about Absolute Heating and Cooling?
So I use Absolute Heating for my own house. This is my parents' condo, and they did a fantastic job. So I figured to use them again.
Awesome. What did you enjoy about the install process?
Everyone's super communicative, from the owner, from Jay, all the way down to the team. Aiden and Aaron did a fantastic job. They got here on time, did a really good job cleaning up, and just doing really clean work. So
Beautiful. And would you happen to recommend us to family and friends?
absolutely.